Ladies and gentlemen, I think my name now OTB, and of course, I say welcome to the show. From now, go reach 9 o'clock. I did here with you individually, personally, and officially on top of what we call Gra Express. And of course, today we'll be Tuesday. We'll take our soft, take our easy, we'll take our mellow. That's what we call them, loving a Tuesday. But the beauty of this today, when I say, as I talk just now, I get one person to give me some background sound effect of laughter. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'm not lying to you. I have a big fish. When I mean big fish, I mean a very big fish. Inside the studio, you know, I don't know how I want it. You don't need many heights because once you just mention the name, now only she get that name for this industry. No other one. Ladies and gentlemen, the diva from the river, the one and only Omawumi is in the
I
building.
love it. I'm going to take that and say the diva from the river.
I love it. You know, say where you come from the water side now.
Yes, I see. Now you look this, I don't carry on like this.
No, carry
say, please add it to my introduction. Say
Carry
the diva from the river. Everybody can say, nah, mommy water.
No, that's my water. That's what it just be. You are welcome.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Much. I'm happy to be here.
No, we said we're happy to have you around because as a matter of fact, it don't take where like say you come play with us. In fact, the only time we see you now in recent times now for TV, where you do some judging activity based on the Nigerian Idol. Yes, Sarah Georgina, you're doing very well.
Thank you. I appreciate you.
Apart from this, Nigerian Idol George, where you don't do for some time. This about the second or third year now, if I'm not mistaken.
Second year. No, I don't enter like twice, 3 times as a guest judge. So it was like a no-brainer. I now come out, come do this thing, and we don't get one. We get long symbiotic relationships.
See what?
Symbiotic. Let me symbiotic.
Okay,
no, let me not. I beg go now. Pidgin English station now with anybody we go. They Google wait till I talk. Anything where you see take her like that.
They test you.
We shall get long-standing relationship.
Okay.
Excuse me. So we can't look and say okay. So mommy, it's time. Me can't look and say yes because it's a full circle moment. That something like this I take come out. Actually it's the same brand.
Yes.
The difference is just Nigeria and West Africa. Now they are come from. So it's only right, that I'm part of it. So I'm nothing personal.
And you are doing a great job, actually.
Thank you.
On behalf of everybody from the Niger Delta, just make me hail you specially. Say yes. Thank you for flying our flag very high.
Thank you.
And the matter with that. Like play now. Like play. As you did like this, so you now you be mama. As far as this Nigerian music industry is concerned.
Like play. And all of us know ourselves when we still,
I know what I'm saying, but like play. You have, I speak with you for this one, you have transcended, into where they go refer to as OG.
Hey,
yes.
Hey, if I spit for grand, I go gather around.
Not spit.
Sugar.
Now your flower take them. So the reason why they talk now because I want to ask you one question because under your watch, under your eye, not just new boys now. I'm talking about new girls.
Yes.
Where be like, so Bob, they don't enter the game. Come they take and go to the next level.
That's right.
So I mean, based on who you be as a woman, when don't hold you for inside the music industry. I mean, how you go describe how the industry now they take women, in particular, especially with the ones when we say they fly the flag high lately, for the industry.
To be honest, it's long overdue. It don't take where we say, and one thing about women, we always talk this when they come interview, especially the ones that we get a mujaga
stand well.
We always talk say it hard because they work twice as hard. We go get to one validate ourselves to say see we now we be this we did here before you go come look us except say we show the and it they work when you need to work, but sometimes it is sweet when it be say the craft and na that one everybody they look. So it is sweet my body when I see wetin dey happen. It is sweet me die. And not be like say this talent not dey since the day.
Yes.
But as now we be say they say now when you wake up now be your morning. So if now we be say everybody wake up to see say this this talent then day here no wahala we go take on like that. But it sweet my body.
Well, okay, still on the I want to tackle you from different angles.
I enjoy.
So as it be now, so let me say some of this. I'm really particular about the girls. As a matter of fact.
Please do.
As you ever say, I don't call OG one, which is a fact. You know, among these girls where you see right now, no, nothing like that. you go we stand down. Who among these girls you look at like say on a good day say, watch me out. A collabo is long overdue between the both of us.
The menu. Okay. The menu. And they listen to everybody because everybody gets style with the sweet. It is some underdogs like that. I will give some honorable mentions. First of all, there's some will not be OG again. No, there's some will be say they don't. Everybody be large cats now.
Yes.
So and you need to give them their kudos because they work hard to reach where they. You know, but it is some cats. Then will be say, they feel. I know they like because if you call name now, you don't call another person name. You come be like say,
Mama call name.
No. Who be the person where? So wait, make I think. I feel Ugochi right now.
Ugochi, oh yes, yeah. Okay, Ugochi, yes.
I feel her the authenticity of the craft. You gonna say like the work. It is some young cats off the top of my head. I don't know if you remember names. Some of them will be say, you know, na Instagram, like so they never really get like strong, you know, singles or body of work. And they always encourage everybody. If you find how you want to reach out to me, as long as your music is good, I'm just a DM away. Okay. You understand? So Alpha, more talk. But if you sing a parody on music, not even bother. You know, to say because we be women, because I don't agree.
True. Okay. Last, you still try to mention somebody name.
Yeah.
And at least we can actually identify with that name.
Yes, no, and they talk say Dana from, you know, but you know, me, Thames, area. All of us will be. They'll not be OG matter again. All of us will be peers. If they look according to pocket self, to be frank, you know, say some of them now they be large cats. So I make you see me say they talk. Say I not go feel concord and say because of say I start long ago. I call they say you know this. No, I not fair. I not get that strength to fit do that. You know, so everybody they do wonderful big things. And not to honorable mention to my sister WAJE as always. You know. So she's also a fellow OG.
As a matter of fact.
If I'm permitted to use that term. Yes. So yeah. So we move.
Nice one. So I don't know. Correct me if I am wrong. Mm-hmm. Is it that for some time you don't say when you drop, you know, single?
No, well, according to the way we say social media day now, yes, and how fast the music is. You know the way fast food day now. Now so they get fast music now. Mm-hmm. So if you never drop music in 3 months,
yes,
you don't. It's correct me if I'm wrong. Okay. It's been a while, but the last time was 2 years ago, and that's what I dropped. And you go there okay, because you see,
because I feel like in this era you dropped music 2 years ago last. Mm-hmm. It sounds like what you don't take.
And now what I try to tell you now, I say because we're there for the era of fast music, you get to give them back to back. But you don't say we will be old firewood. You know, coffee masquerade, coffee in shadow. So anytime when you see the music, you take her like that. Shade I do the release music every 10 years. If you release it today, you don't still go buy the music. True. Do you understand? But outside of that, the time where they take to make my music, I did it very intentional with my music. I know. Like in one place where they help me describe them, they say now vibes and inshallah. And they say they do that one too. But for me to even do vibes and inshallah, I go still put in the work. So because I'm very intentional about how I put in this work, like as in from production to arrangement to I want to make the strings come here, or I want to make this thing happen, or I want live guitar here, or I want this. We'll come finish all that thing finish. Then you can take 2 weeks, drink the Gary. No, nah.
Okay, because you are going even more technical into this music, let us even try and see. You know, as at the time when you do music, where you do songs like Bottom Bel-Air, songs like If You Ask Me, you know, then fast forward to this 2025 every day, you find out say, you know, the sound probably don't change.
For them. Well, read on.
Good. Now, if for instance, in 2025, you want to do a song now, you feel say you will still do like those kind of your, you know, evergreen songs in this era, and people will still accept them, especially with the way the sound don't change.
They change. My brother, you go, like I said, you know, go say because of say you fear masquerade, you go fear a shadow. One of the things where they
speak up.
One of the things, no, I don't speak up. I'm very confused for trouble. Oh, yeah. One of the things where you go look me take talk say, okay, now Omawumi, now the authenticity of her sound. You understand what I mean? So I know fit can't use now. Take they say, okay, yes, I fit add some new elements.
Okay.
I think they influenced by one or two new elements. After all, I get some kind of dance, lovely Amapiano songs. And one when I do with DJ Obi,
yes,
some 3 or 4 years ago, happy dance, you know. So when they put our hands and legs in all those type of things. But the who you be now, who you be. You won't if fella they alive can't reach now. You won't tell fella say, you know, so how you going to
you see how you see the new trend.
Do you understand?
Based on vibes. Based on cruise.
You understand? Then fella will come to my piano. Ha Baba. Like no, I don't compare myself to fella, but you know.
I mean, we just have to be original to ourselves.
Exactly, Benny. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Meanwhile, somebody there the yarn in mind. He say yes, so
Yeah.
Anytime I hear Omawumi for Naija FM, I dey always remember that of Piarome slip of tongue. But that's her sweeper when she do. He say, Mingwo, our OG, this not Richard. You remember that thing?
I remember Piarome.
Nice one. So yes, you got one question I want to ask you before we go that break. Because I realized lately, I noticed, say, apart from music, you also they take style the branch into movies. Other part of you they go. You got one I see one time be like say, I think who was it you and Bisola? I just see
Palava.
I just they say why you say you
I get Benin accent.
Oh,
so that one too sweets me.
It's no sweet. Very shocking for what I see. I thought they say why go fit see
the full. It for most of all those streaming this thing, the Prime.
Palava.
So Palava, Ink Blots. Okay. So when they call me for the role, I think they get me another person in mind, you know. So when they call me for the role, and I felt very honored that I didn't have to audition.
Okay.
You know, but maybe them been thinking that kind of role where be say if you audition or you know audition or you know go really I don't know what's in the director mind. Okay. So I just come on set. The first line of conversation where I get, everybody nearly fall down from chair. They're like, where did this accent come from? I know saying I Ekpoma way person. You understand? So when you don't go stay for Ekpoma, you don't go to Saramore Joe house for Benin, the accent go come, you know. And I do like to play with accents. Now to answer your question, I've always loved acting. I always enjoy it. The challenge is now the time. You know, so for acting, you go spend a lot of time. If you did 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks on a set, you understand? Because of the shooting and all those things. And now acting money can they want equals to nearer small. That year, not the love, you know. You know, so I have passion for this thing.
But money not the show for inside.
No, not the compared to then no, but now, I must tell you, it's very good. Very, very good.
Beautiful. That means what you try to tell us now, so as money, don't they try? That means we might be seeing you even more.
Yes, even for I've been wear producers' hats before.
Okay.
Like some 5 years ago.
Okay.
But I was really scarred. I still get PTSD. You know. But I would think how we don't already prepare how we would say they enter there back again. Okay. So yeah.
Okay. We're not the wrong. You get one question. You get one time you say, make I go find that. No. This one with the app. I want to confirm for you. No, this is just don't enter my head. You get one time you say Timaya come studio here.
Hey. See, you know what's in there?
Talk to me.
I don't know whether they pray me person ask me this question.
Which question you tell one answer?
Complete the thing. Because I'm not here now.
Not be so Timaya day here. That position needed that day.
No man, carry on.
Nine in talk say they ask her a question. Say I see.
Make her cut that. Boy. Make her clip that story.
Okay.
That thing not happen.
For real?
So the thing will pain me for inside the matter, and I'm happy as we bring them up. The thing will pain me inside the matter, and I say I feel say Timaya and I will be friends. We don't be friends for years. Can't reach now. You know, and Timaya and Burna Boy, Timaya separate, Burna Boy separate. They you know, everybody they accord everybody with respect.
Yes.
And me, I did very big on respect. Now make her they reciprocate. And then they like to the yarn. So that, you know, person not go yarn, the one will go pay me. So that's what I just did. If you ask around, you know, and I build this craft based on, you know, as I did now when person go call me for interview, talk with him and not like, I go just change her.
Yes.
So first of all, my irritation, I say, you they try make point about something. What's it consign me? What's it bring my name? You understand? Yeah. And if you think like you, the Timaya, where they talk these things, so plenty example day where you don't day in that kind of environment, we're not good. But I not go come because of say I want release music and they try to refer to somebody. I can't talk, say, you know, say Omawumi and Waje, you know, say, why? When meanwhile the boy himself, you don't hear and talk that kind of thing before. No. Anytime when you see the boy, they salute us well, they greet us well. So whatever you feel, say you feel talk that kind, you know, for the almost 20 years why I don't take build my craft. Next thing when person want talk, so because that bad news. Now the rain pass good news. Next thing anybody want put story and they'll come talk say, no, mom, where they throw out of studio. Since when? Now your beans not done. You don't know how you take cook your beans. Now you can't call the come and so I was very irritated by that. Okay. I can't talk say, what I go answer Timaya? Should I dance in the mud? Like, because I don't know what his intention was.
But I feel good. I feel like, I don't know whether he was saying that thing in a bad light.
I don't care.
Oh.
Why am I in the light? In the very first place.
So, okay, Mo and Dana. So what you're trying to say is that thing, it
don't happen. To give you context, okay. The only time that I've been in the same space with Burna Boy and Waje and maybe I think Timaya popped in was in like 2010, 20, and at Waje they do song with Timaya. He hosted, and Waje they do song with Burna Boy. Hosted us, gave us drink. Everybody was having fun. It was late for me. I had to go. He left the studio, went outside. And I was like, where's Burna? So I went outside. He was outside. I was like, guy, I did go. He said, okay, maybe later. Thank you for coming. And that was it. So I don't know where this get out of our studio. I don't know where it come from. Mm-hmm. Okay. Let it be known now. And God will bless you for asking that question.
Mama, don't mess.
No, because it didn't pain me that time. And you know, someone they like to hear my name for nonsense conversation. So I don't know the light way they talk, but it bring insult to me. And one day, if he call me say, Mama, don't take and mean anything, no. No, he come for front. As you were.
That's what I said. Somebody on top of WhatsApp. He said, you too much, oh. I love your new song, In Love.
Thank you.
It is nice.
Yes.
Keep it up. It's not Christabel from my papa. So, as a matter of fact, Christabel don't push us enter.
God bless Christabel.
We don't segue now. Thank you. Now God go bless you. This is what you do to Christabel. You know what I'm saying that?
Because
you don't say
my body don't. I don't.
So now, there's actually a new song. Sorry, a new sheriff. Oh, what am I saying? New sheriff in town. There's actually a new song in town. From the stables of Omawumi.
Yes, please.
In Love.
Yes. And you can see that as I came here, I did not talk about anybody else's matter to use to promote my music.
Until when I go
you ask you
questions.
No, I'm just saying that people should take you from that, you know, as you were, sir.
Good. Yes, as I was saying again. In Love is a new single where we say, if I'm not mistaken, this is the first single you're dropping this year.
Yes.
Good. And
produced by Spells.
Oh, wow. Interesting. And if I made a mistake, bless now only you inside this particular song. In Love.
Yes.
In Love. Today is Love Inner Tuesday.
Yes.
And we're actually talking about the new song from Omawumi when she titled In Love.
Yes.
What's about this love?
My brother, the context of the music is, you know, like when you encounter real love, how different it is and how authentic it is. You know, that be the premise of the song. That's it, Sha.
Really? So now you write them?
No, we many.
Oh?
A lot of hands in the booth.
Wow.
No, I go spell studio.
Okay.
We plenty where they vibe, you know, where come up with the songs. I know if you just use Mudiaga, to say now only me.
You know, and I appreciate the fact that you say no, not be you right time or not be you so plenty because it can't look like lately artists when artists say not being right song. They be like say
they be like say you born the picking on a CS you use. You know they hear the music, you not switch it for body. Yeah, so it doesn't really matter. I would love to think that I'm a good writer because I dey write for people, I dey write for movies, I dey write for companies for jingles and stuff like that. Yeah. But sometimes you know you go want hear another person speak or you go want hear you want chop another person version of a goosey soup. You get what I mean?
Yeah. All right, more quickly take this call and hear what this person wants to tell us. Hello, good evening. Hello? Good our line. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
The people for background won't let you rest too. Hello, you say what be your name, sir?
Sir, I greet you now.
Now we greet you past bros. What be your name?
Now Donabo from Surulere.
You say what?
Yeah, he said I've done that boy from Surulere.
You know which one?
Donabo from Surulere.
So you are Bonapo and almost namesake.
Yeah, I be artist too.
Wait, time.
Omawumi, forget about that gist where they yarn about in a lie.
Were you there?
My dear, me don't already know. Say
no,
you know.
no.
I don't know. Thank
Please,
you.
how can I do something with you? I have an EP I want to do very soon. Like, how can I get you, man?
Hey, you go na DM and you go get to don't show me what you don't do before na from there so that if you're not good, I'll just tell you no.
No wahala, that one no problem.
Mm-hmm.
So your IG name now, Omawumi?
No, at Omawonder.
Okay.
Do.
Okay, I'll.
Thank you. You don't try. See, at this point in time, we need to use music to put us,
For,
in check. And the only song when we say we fit take hold ourselves right
this
now.
in love,
Now this in love.
Yeah.
Wait till this is the talk here. Okay. But I get jam question for you, yo.
Okay now.
What to be my question for mommy? Number one.
Number one. He passed one.
But no, the question never had for when
Eh.
try this first one. Is that what gives you the inspiration when you do music? Number two. Wow. You said describe yourself in 3 sentences. This one I example.
And they say like interview. Say you go. As if they go do interview for work for company. I don't know how to describe myself. I'm not really into myself as such, so I don't really know how to describe myself. I really depend on people's description of me, to be fair and sincere. So whatever because it's your interpretation of me, it's not my. Then what inspires me? Initially, if you ask me this question, primarily the answer has not changed. God Almighty, now they give us road.
True.
But now in adulthood, money is a very, very key. Before I'll say, that you get inspiration from everything you see. That's how they speak big Oyibo. You get inspiration from things you see around you. The earth speaks to you. Everybody, it's money.
True.
Money inspires me to create.
Wow.
Yes, the return of profits.
Please, let's go back to In Love, please. Let's go back to In Love.
I'm with you.
In Love don't come out now, and of course, the video don't come out.
Oh yeah, definitely on Friday. Video is coming out on Friday. Yes.
Okay.
Very nice visuals.
Who produced them?
It's a guy called Frizzle and Bizzle. Frizzle and Bizzle.
Frizzle and Bizzle.
Yeah, he's really good.
Great stuff. Now let us go away a little bit from the music.
Yes,
now,
sir.
Where you come from the Naija Delta State in particular.
Yes.
You are fast becoming. That is, if you are not already, an elder.
Not they age me like this.
Not age you. Because the truth of the matter is, say, just okay. Let us go back.
No, but we're good.
Let's go back a bit. As I tell when somebody like James Ibori, the governor of Delta State, how old he be?
Not true.
So if you look that age of what he be and look the age of what he will be now, so you can find ourselves, but
now the same.
We're not really too young now.
Not true. You're not like.
So why me? I would ask this question. I say, are you at some point? Because especially that's your Ishakiri dynasty. I know say that they carry with heavy hand.
Yeah.
Then they take you to the play for that extraction, especially.
Delta.
Don't talk about the whole of Delta. So at any point in time, are you considering to go into politics to probably, cause one kind of change?
No. If I feel even talk say never, but I'm not sure. Like as in, first of all, I'm apolitical. I'm a partisan. I'm not not like say I know they are aware. I know they see everything where they happen, but I know I can only be evasive as I speak about the injustices and the things that we're going through as Nigerians, and how to implore people make life better for the the betterment of Nigerians. Forgive my tautology, but to enter into that song and dance
mainstream
with them, no. Now, mommy, when me and it not work.
Not the plan.
It not there.
All right, no wahala. Back to the music. Now we be say In Love don't come now, so are we going to wait for another 2 years before another single drop?
Anytime where you see no, because now I get one body of work where I go like make it drop, but before the body of work go drop, because the body of work is intentional, I just want follow one genre and attack one genre and break them down. So before that, I go they throw out a lot of singles. So this is not the first single. At least this year you go chop like two more.
Are these 2 more singles, are we going to see any form of collaboration?
Hey, whoa. It could may not. You never can told.
Okay. But for the body of work, is
no,
it
definitely.
EP or an album?
No, not EP. They did do album these days. You just carry money do
album now.
Who be that?
If you do.
No, now you know.
Burna Boy self drop self.
Not true. Okay.
This itself drop.
No, see, you hear the name that way you take off. It do take a village, No, it's not like it doesn't have. Yeah. So I'm wrong to have said they do album these days, but me, I don't do enough albums for now. So I want the chop short and sweet. Keep it concise because, as I explained, now this is not the fast music days.
Even show for this your song. 2
my
minutes,
dear,
40 seconds.
how many seconds when you go enter sign up before in the
Before.
music now 5 minutes 18 seconds.
Thank you.
Nah, when
You are confirming,
when you go enter inside studio now, or rather a club or somewhere, DJ they play your music. How many? Pata 90 seconds.
Yes.
Pata. Or some people now only want to like last. He don't cast. Everybody they don't play fast. Next thing another song.
You see, Anna?
That's all it be.
Meanwhile, on top WhatsApp here, somebody say, "Good evening, ma. Nice jam, oh."
Thank
and
you.
It's awesome.
Thank
I'm
you.
just imagining Big Z in the song. Charles Shaw. That would be Big Z. Who be Big Z? Okay, make it imagine, Asha. What will we take? We said the song is a nice jam.
Thank you.
Awesome. So
Thank
we'll call it
you.
out first. If you like, explain more who Big Z be. I mean, you mean Big Wiz?
Maybe in a big wish. Hey, Father, from your mouth to God's ears.
But they talk like they be like say, say the thing over special. You and Big Wiz never do song before.
We don't do.
Why they do like this? So I remember, was it 2019?
Mm-hmm.
I think 2019. You do one concert, right? And since that time, I don't think you don't ever do any like your standing concerts.
Yes, yeah.
So what are we expecting in terms of such kind of events?
to be fair, this December where they come, I go dave part of other people concert, but to plan concert because now the showmanship where they involved in the concert, now be the things when they always like to look out for, So I don't know whether I cannot lie for you this time now. So now that time when it be say, I did a little more family oriented, So I did. As much as I dey work, I get to still make out time, for kids, So that's it. This is not my first child now is 14.
Wow.
You can't do all those show. They do rehearsal, they do show. You can't disappear like 4 months, 6 months. Work. Who you leave to train them. So now the balance, So I get to do as I fit according to my power. Then eventually, you never know.
So what's your? I still go back to you and the women now. What's your relationship with some of these other new people I talk about? Because whether you like it or not, yes, they don't do very big, but I believe say not all of them will look at like say nobody paved way for me. So I mean, what's your relationship with especially your peers, the likes of them Tiwa, the likes of them Waje, as against the likes of the Thames, the Ira Stars, the Tennies, and the faves?
Oh, I see. I have mutual love and respect for everybody. Like, I don't lie for you. I'm in sometimes I did starstruck because it just they give me joy. The opportunities them where we will be no get. These girls them they do them, they carry them well, and they go, they represent us well. For the international stage and so many big wins. And the only thing I can feel is joy because when they go call all these people their name, my name go join inside.
You can't want where you talk. I don't know why I like for just like make you talk because not good thing. When you
I know not be bad thing, but it's not be everything that they talk for radio. So if you bring my leg come outside, I go. The way I take drag your own leg come outside. So I want the fear.
I know.
But make I tell you something. There are some people in this industry that up and coming, be established artists, up and coming. I don't know their name. But I know say when I first start, they never did. Now they don't did. I'm a fan of their music. Sometimes half of the thing when they talk are not the year. Because now when they rain, I say sometimes they hear the thing. You understand? I want to talk something about the fear.
Talk.
You remember this thing, Omale's song with Davido?
With you?
I go find
the lyrics.
I go find now. Because and I danced the song for like 2 weeks I dey ooh. But I can't realize say for him verse I dey chop mouth. But but you know I saw Omale they deliver music. I get to go find the lyrics because I love the song so much. So that is to say that they give me life and joy. Where they did enter for their own craft, they dig deep. If it easy, make una run now. Like as in everybody just You don't understand. But if you say they wash, but I know they wash.
No, I'm not saying not they wash.
It's sweet. You know the year and say
you are
it's
speaking
sweet.
from a creative.
It is sweet.
Creative.
Yes,
Point of view. Yeah,
it is sweet me die. There are many. One more off radio. I go tell you all of
You
you.
see, Anna. All right, I'm going to say OTB. I'm really enjoying the interview. Omawumi keep doing great songs. We love you. This is now 6 tools from Ijayi.
6 tools.
Lagos.
Thank
all right,
you.
I don't lie to you. It don't reach maybe like so we'll just wrap up this matter. But before we wrap up, I mean, somebody takes that the act of your, social media handle, especially for Instagram.
Oh yes, please, I beg.
I mean, let us.
So TikTok is Real Omawanda.
Okay.
Instagram is Omawanda. I think TikTok is Omawumi. There's no N in my name, please. And Facebook too is Omawumi. I believe so. I don't know if it be my Snapchat, but I did it too. I did all the places. So just make sure saying that the authentic, what you saying authentic. Just make sure that the authentic one, you know.
Okay, no wahala. Thank you so much for dropping by. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Welcome.
You know, whenever Omawumi there around, it's always full of life, always entertaining and very, always.
I like it.
Even English for me. No problem. Now we be like saying love don't come. We say for Naija FM 102.7, we'll not go stop. We'll make sure say with the slammer back to back,
help me,
side to side,
help me,
bumper to bumper.
I beg
they hit you.
Nah, music.
But the good thing is say you not go feel pain. Just they play the music, they go and you go they dance. And if you never fall in love before, you go day in love.
Yes.
You understand me?
Yes.
Thank you so much for coming through.
My pleasure.
And of course,
my absolute pleasure.
We hope to see more like those 2 singles where you talk about this.
This by the grace of God, now that 2 months.
Mm-hmm. So that I'm not too comfortable with that 2 years. That 2 years long.
You're there okay. You're there okay.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, the show still continue. This is Naija FM 102.7. If song nice, you play on twice, thrice, just keep going. And it tells you